So I tried and tested this book for over 12 months with my coaching clients and with other organisations, and definitely made some changes to the book over that year. But the book it's incredible. My clients rave about it, especially the morning mindset pages in this book. It helps with so many different things, but it's been proven to help with lots of different types of mental health issues: depression, anxiety, OCD, lots of different disorders like that. This is an amazing resource to use. Anyone can use it. Anyone can use this book. It is designed to be simple and really coherent. So it takes out all of the sciencey words, all of the sciencey jargon, and it's really easy to use. So I use it with some of my schools that I work with, and so we have people that are around 15, 16 using it by themselves, and they're able to manage using it by themselves. So I'd suggest anyone from that age, 15 or 16 up, would be able to use the book. If you are really struggling, or if you're younger than that, then I would suggest using it with the help of either a mentor, a teacher, or a talk therapist, whether it be a psychologist or a counsellor, to help guide you through using the book.